Most fat loss happens through breathing. Most people think fat leaves the body through sweat. They imagine fat melting away during workouts and dripping off the skin. Others believe fat turns into energy or disappears as heat. But the truth is far more surprising, and honestly, a little mind-blowing. Most fat loss actually happens through breathing. Yes, breathing. When your body burns fat, it does not simply vanish. Fat is made of molecules, mostly carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. When you lose fat, your body breaks these molecules apart in a process called metabolism. The fat combines with oxygen inside your body, and this creates two main waste products: carbon dioxide and water. The water leaves your body through sweat, urine, and even tears. But the carbon dioxide leaves your body through your lungs. That means every time you exhale, you are literally breathing out fat. In fact, scientists discovered that about 84% of lost fat leaves the body as carbon dioxide through breathing. Only about 16% leaves as water. So while sweating feels satisfying, it is actually your lungs doing most of the real fat loss work behind the scenes. Think about that for a moment. Every deep breath you take during exercise helps your body remove fat from your system. Every time your breathing becomes faster during a workout, your body is pushing out more carbon dioxide. That is your body getting rid of the broken down fat. This also explains why exercise that raises your breathing rate is so effective for fat loss. Activities like brisk walking, running, cycling, or jumping rope increase your oxygen intake. More oxygen allows your body to break down more fat. And when more fat is broken down, more carbon dioxide is produced and exhaled. But here is something important to understand. You cannot simply sit still and breathe faster to lose weight. Your body only breaks down fat when it needs energy. That usually happens when you move your muscles and increase your activity level. Breathing is the exit door for fat, but movement is the key that unlocks the process. This is why daily movement matters so much. Even small actions like walking more, taking the stairs, or standing instead of sitting can increase your breathing slightly. Over time, those small increases add up and help your body burn more fat. It also explains why people who stay inactive for long periods often struggle with fat loss. When you sit still for hours, your breathing stays slow and your muscles use very little energy. Less energy use means less fat breakdown, and less fat breakdown means less carbon dioxide being exhaled. Your lungs are quietly working all day, whether you notice it or not. Every breath is part of a complex system that keeps your body alive and balanced. But during fat loss,